You think she wants attention, but she's drowning in it. Messages, compliments. Hey, hi, you're beautiful. Same energy, different faces. And you? You became one of them. Hard truth? She doesn't fall for effort. She falls for energy. When you chase, she questions your value. When you seek approval, she feels the lack. And women, they don't hear your words. They feel your state. You're trying to win her, while she's trying to feel something real. Trick #1. Silence. Not ignoring, but not needing. Because the moment you stop chasing, you become rare. Trick #2. Eye contact. Not nervous. Not desperate. Still. Grounded. Like you already know your worth. Trick #3. Slow replies. Not games. Control. You're not always available. Because your life matters too. Trick #4. Emotional unpredictability. Not toxic, but intriguing. She shouldn't fully figure you out. Not yet. Mystery creates tension, and tension creates attraction. Trick #5. Walk away energy. Not dramatic, just calm detachment. Because the man who can leave is the one she fears losing. Hard truth? She's not attracted to nice. She's attracted to certainty. Trick #6. Speak less. Mean more. Your words should land, not scatter. Trick #7. Don't compliment beauty first. Everyone does that. See her mind, her patterns, her depth. That's where connection lives. Trick #8. Be emotionally stable. Not cold, not reactive, grounded. Because chaos doesn't attract. It exhausts. Trick #9. Lead. Not control. Lead. Decide. Plan. Move. Confidence isn't loud. It's direction. Final truth. She doesn't want to be chased. She wants to feel something she can't explain. And that only happens when you stop trying to be chosen and start becoming someone who doesn't need to be. Because attraction is never forced. It's felt.